So just taking a quick look at Dogecoin then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, looking like we are threatening here for a big move to the upside. I think a lot of cryptos over the past 3, 4, 5 days in the large cap category have all been looking pretty bullish. Avalanche here getting a nice print yesterday for a move to the upside there, as you can see. A lot of cryptos here, as I said, looking like they are going to be moving to the upside pretty soon. Even Veracity's got a green candle today, which is unbelievable. As you can see, across the market, a lot of cryptos, in my opinion, looking like they're gearing up for a big move. Obviously, Ethereum leading the charge for the altcoin space, as you would expect. Bitcoin kind of looking like it's moving bullish again here after breaking out of that hourly resistance of the downtrend we were in for a little while here, and threatening potentially here to head back towards the all-time highs if we get through some of these levels of liquidity. Obviously, if that's the case and Bitcoin heads back to all-time highs and Ethereum is also looking like it's heading to all-time highs, we're going to be looking at having a move for altcoins. I think altcoins are finally starting to wake up. If you look across the space, you can see here a lot of altcoins waking up over the past few days after a decent pullback and retracement with Bitcoin going sideways. Obviously, when Bitcoin goes sideways, generally you do see a pullback for altcoins, but most of them here actually looking relatively strong. Dogecoin in a bit of a weird spot specifically, just because we had this huge pump for it, obviously, and then the tariff dump. We came down into this nice range that a lot of cryptos have been in, and then more recently in this much closer, tighter coil of a range that signals to me that we're probably going to have a decent move in either direction pretty soon. We've got CPI today as well, by the way, guys, so just in case, do stay safe if you're using leverage, because Bitcoin's going to get affected by CPI for traditional markets, which in turn will obviously affect have a massive effect on the rest of the market as well. If Bitcoin pumps, we're probably going to see Ethereum pump, and we'll probably see the altcoin space follow suit. If that's the case, Dogecoin's going to be heading up towards that 30-cent level, probably up towards this new swing high up here if Ethereum gets good displacement above its all-time high pretty quickly. If we don't see that, then we're going to be seeing Dogecoin either chop sideways more and reject this resistance and head sideways like this, or if Bitcoin gets a big retracement, we could see Dogecoin come down again. Right now I've got a big bag of Dogecoin looking to target up towards $1 on my spot bags, and I've also got longs being put in as well, because I do think we are on the verge here of having a big move to the upside. And Dogecoin looking very, very good on the macro, in my opinion, for continuation here. You can see holding a lot of good bullish supports all the way through this cycle. You can see we've got that one, let me use my tool for this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside that we can be seeing for Dogecoin. A little bit delayed on this final push here that I thought we were going to get because of the tariff dump. We have been putting in a range here, but I still think we're looking like we're coiling up here for a really nice move, and I think up towards that $1 for Dogecoin at this point, looking like very, very possible and even likely, I would say. I've been gearing up for this for a while, continuously averaging into Dogecoin for basically the past 4 or 5 years. Ever since we got this all-time high and I didn't take profits, I've been averaging in all the way down, averaging in all throughout this bear market, and I was pretty much at break even, I would say. I'm probably at break even at around 10-15 cents at this point for Dogecoin, probably in this area here. So I'm up on my bags around 2x, and I'm looking to get around a 10x on that, averaging in up towards $1 for this. So right now I think Dogecoin looking like it could be in the end game here for this cycle for a pump. Right now we're just going to chill and wait and see what happens next. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe, leave a comment, and also get some free money in the description below.